Programming your 2011 GMC Sierra key fob is a simple process you can do yourself. It involves synchronizing your remote's transmitter with your truck's receiver. Start by inserting your key into the ignition switch. Turn the key from off to AC, then to on, and back to off. This ignition cycling is crucial for entering programming mode. Next, press the lock button twice, followed by the unlock button. Complete these presses within 30 seconds. Your Sierra can store up to 4 fobs, so repeat the process for each one you want to program. This method works with original or OEM-compatible fobs. Many owners have reported success with this DIY method, saving time and money compared to dealership programming. Remember, the timing is key and skipping the ACC mode can lead to failure, so pay attention to the steps. If your key fob isn't responding, first ensure the battery, a CR2032 type, is fresh. Replace it if needed, then try reprogramming. A survey shows 15% of vehicle owners experience key fob failures annually, often due to battery issues. While DIY programming is usually effective, a faulty receiver module in your Sierra might require professional attention and module replacement, costing around $200. Automotive experts note that the 2011 Sierra's key fob system lacks modern encryption and is vulnerable to relay attacks. For complex issues or persistent failures, GM service advisors recommend seeking professional help, as DIY attempts have a 10% failure rate due to user error. Keep in mind that key fob malfunctions cause 5% of vehicle lockouts, but reprogramming resolves 70% of these cases.